Hello all. So today we will perform an experiment on single phase full wave rectifier. So as you can see, we will use this AC source and this D1, D2, D3, D4 to convert this AC into DC. So directly you can see here. This is our AC side with 115 volt RMS, and I have given this AC voltage to these diodes, and these are D1, D2, D3, D4, and this output DC is going through R load. Okay, so if you can see here, you can see the input voltage waveform, that is yellow, that is purely sinusoidal AC. You can also see this waveform here on my desktop. So this is input waveform, that is input voltage, and this is output voltage, that is rectified output DC. So you can see this blue one is output DC voltage and this pink one is current, output current, that should be purely DC. So if I apply some load, right now this is 0, but if as soon as I apply some load, it will be some non-zero value. So now I am applying that R load. You can see now R load is there. So here you can see this is output voltage and this is output current. The magnitude of this current will depend on the value of this resistance. Okay, so now we will perform the same experiment on motor. So now I am disconnecting this circuit and I am applying this output voltage into motor. This is PMDC motor. So now I will come. So you can see the output of this motor is DC. Output of this motor is speed in terms of voltage. So here you can see the voltage is 0. As soon as motor will run, here you can see the speed, and this is written here that this is 10 volt per 1000 rpm. That means if the motor will run on 1000 rpm, the output voltage will be 10 volt. So now I am connecting supply. You can see the motor is in on state, and you can see the output voltage waveform, that is distorted DC waveform, that is because of RLE load. So you can see the speed in the voltmeter, like this is 13.78. So you can see the motor is running at 1377 rpm. So now I can apply load here on its shaft. So as soon as the concept is, as soon as I should turn on the load, this motor will draw some more current and the back EMF will reduce and the speed will reduce. So you can see here, you can see also in the waveform that as soon as I am applying the load, the back EMF is reducing and hence the current is increasing. And you can also see the speed in the voltmeter in terms of voltage, the speed is reducing. So you can take different readings to draw different graphs of this experiment. Thank you very much.